Hi there, and welcome to All Day Slimming Tea affiliates area. So my name is Bogdan, and I've been a ClickBank vendor and affiliate for over 9 years. Already made over $2 million in commissions, and I'm really happy with this product because I really think it's the best product I ever created, and not only in terms of how good a product is, but mostly as how much money we can make as affiliates. Okay, so first of all, this is a slimming tea. When I created the product, I went ahead to Amazon. I looked at the bestseller, who had 4.9 star rating, already like 10,000 reviews. So what I did, I bought one. I sent it to my supplier, and my supplier looked at what the tea contained, and we tried to make it better. So we got the list of ingredients. We changed a few things. We added monk fruit and a few natural flavors, and what came out is an amazing tea that me personally, I work out twice a day. I love kickboxing. I train every evening, and I see that my endurance and my fitness levels are the same as my colleagues who are in their early 20s. Okay, so I see it on myself that it's an amazing tea. I drink 6 teas of the morning one every day, and two of the evening one every evening. Now, another great thing is that my girlfriend, who's a personal trainer, um, actually gave the tea, because we tested it before we actually started selling it, to over 40 ladies who are in their late 30s, 40s, 50s, even over 60, and everyone loved it. It's not only the flavor, but they had more energy. The weight loss increased. All those like symptoms of being tired, having digestive issues, all everything disappeared. The cravings are gone. So it is an amazing product. Now, when it comes to making money, because I know that's what you are interested in, the sales page is a killer. I think I had so like a whenever I started roading it, I think I had everything came from above, so to speak, and the sales page converts around 2%. Our EPCs are over $3, and the great thing is that everybody buys the upsell. So the product is normally comes with a morning and one evening bag. That's the main product. You'll get 60% commission on the whole funnel. But what is happening is that our upsells, we are selling the morning tea, because the more you drink, the more you lose. So what I've seen is that everybody is buying the morning upsells. We have amazing testimonials already from our clients. My tests showed that on average people buy around $300. That's the average purchase value. Okay, so what can I say? If you want to make a lot of money by promoting the only tea that's available on the ClickBank platform, apply now. What can I say is that we don't have it like hundreds of thousands of units available for selling, so we are only working with a few affiliates right now. So if you're watching this, just apply. You have all the details under this video, and we'll send you all the affiliate tools you need, email swipes that have been tested by us, even Facebook ads that we tested, and of course a few affiliate links to the sales page. And you're gonna make a lot of money, and of course you're gonna be promoting one of the best slimming tea ever created. So you're gonna help your prospects increase their health, feel better, lose weight. And another thing that's important, we had no refunds. So we had a small batch when we tested around 1,000 units, and none of the people who received the tea issued a refund. That's amazing. I never had this happen, because I've been in this industry for over 9 years and never have this happen. So what it means is that people actually look at this as a premium product. They are willing to pay premium price, and most importantly, they love the product. Okay, so everything, I think I've told you everything. Just apply under this video, and I'll see you on the resource tool page.